Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to transform this one into homogeneous. So I will put about x equal to v plus a, y equals to t plus b, and we know that a and b are constants. So the next one, if we do first derivative of x, we got about dx over dt equals to dv over dt, because this one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so that's why we have dv over dt. Now similar for the second one. Next, about this one, we can change into dy over dt, and this one dx over dt. So this one we change by this one, and dx we change by dv. So we simplify dt and dt. Now we put this one gone here. X we change by this one. Y we change by this one. So because we want to create about homogeneous, that means the constants, they should be equals to number 0. So a plus b minus number 1 equals to number 0. So a plus 2 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to negative number 2, b equals to number 3. Now we put a and b gone here. So we put negative number 2, and this is about positive number 3. Now, this one we simplify. Next, we have vt and v. They are discrete. Number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about t equal to vz. Later that we do first derivative. So first derivative of v, we have number 1. So we have z. First derivative of z, we have dz over dv, and this is about the product rule of derivative. Now let's go to this one. So t we change by this one. This one we change by this one. Now we simplify v and v. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Now we need to expand this one. So 1 over 2 multiplied by this one. So z minus z we cancel. This one we can put into 1 plus z squared over number 2. So dv and v we put on the right, 1 plus z squared we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we have arctan of z. This one we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of v. And we put about c. Now about z, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by v. And now we need to change z into this one. Next, t and v, that is about this one. So I will put negative number 2 go to the left, number 3 go to the left. So about t, that is about this one. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.